Shifting needs. Explore, feel, shift.
Can you spot the shadow of the bus we are using? By the way, this is a Scania model double wheeler. When you're moving across the bumps, you don't feel, or you are not thrown anyhowly, because the shocks are very good and the comfort is just out of this world. So when you travel long distances, then get to the city, and you feel like you never traveled because the comfort is on another world. Thanks to the Inner Coach family. And welcome everyone to this breathtaking journey through Nairobi, Kenya, a city where urban energy meets natural beauty. And we'll be taking you on this scenic drive as we started from Modelu, and we'll be showing you the areas we will be cutting through, the rich culture and the daily life that make Nairobi truly unique. You can see how this area is, and we just came from Mountain View area, and right now we are in Kangemi. Whether you are a traveler planning your next adventure or simply curious about life in Nairobi, this video is for you. Just watching how we drive in the heart of Nairobi. And remember, Kangemi is known for its lively markets and bustling streets, giving Nairobi that multicultural spirit. And at Kangemi, you'll find everything from fresh produce to handmade crafts, all while experiencing the warmth and its hospitality of the local community. So we'll be driving. As we drive through, just take a moment to appreciate the colorful murals and the sense of resilience that defines this area. You see, our drive now is headed towards ABC Place. There is another place called Waruku, then others as you approach this ABC Place. And this is the part of the Nairobi Expressway that you can use for free. For those who would like to explore much about the Nairobi Expressway, there is a section as you cross the James Gishuru Junction that is at the ABC Place. That place is part of the Nairobi Expressway, but officially for the toll, it starts just ahead after the Safaricom Center and the AMSA headquarters. And you can see the road as it goes smooth. Wow. Welcoming us to Nairobi City. And this is actually a welcome to the Westlands area, which is Nairobi's premier commercial and entertainment district. So you will see the sleek skyscrapers, and we also have trendy restaurants within this place, and also a vibrant nightlife. Westlands is where Nairobi's modern identity shines. And this area is a favorite among locals and experts alike, giving you everything from world-class shopping to cultural experiences. And as a fun fact, Westlands, especially now on the other side of Kileleshwa, when you just cross to the other side of Kileleshwa, is home to the Nairobi Arboretum, which is a peaceful green space perfect for escaping the city's hustle and bustle. So we will continue with this journey, join Museum Hill, where we'll be greeted by the stunning views of the Nairobi skyline. And that area was named after the National Museums of Kenya, which preserves the Kenya's rich history and heritage. And from this place, we'll be cruising along the Professor Wangari Maathai Road, named after Kenya's iconic environmentalist and Nobel Peace Prize laureate. Wangari Maathai's legacy of conservation and empowerment continues to inspire people worldwide, and this road serves as a reminder of her incredible contributions.
Shifting news. Explore, feel, shift.
So once we'll be out of Wangari Maathai Road, that is formerly known as Forest Road, we'll be joining the Ring Road Ngara, which is a historic area that played a significant role in Nairobi's development. By then, Ngara is known for its charming colonial era architecture and its bustling markets. So nearby, once we join other areas, we'll be seeing Kamkunji, which is also a cultural hotspot, giving you that if you want to shop, Kamkunji is the place. So I hope you enjoyed this scenic drive through Nairobi's vibrant landscapes, and just tell us what you think. And you can agree that Nairobi is a city of contrasts, where tradition meets modernity and nature thrives amid urban life. I hope you enjoyed this video. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more adventures across Kenya and beyond. Share this video with your friends and family and let them experience the beauty of Nairobi too. So until next time, Karibu Kenya. Welcome to Kenya.
Shifting news. Explore, feel, shift.